Hello. So in this video, we are going to be creating a social media content with Canva. So the first thing we do is to go to canva.com. Canva is canva.com. Then we are going to find out what kind of video we are going to be creating. Now we are going to be using two applications here, Canva and ChatGPT. So I'm just going to open ChatGPT here. I'm going to be opening ChatGPT here. So we alternate within these two applications. So let's go. So we are going to ask ChatGPT, you're going to give it who you are and tell it, to create something for you. So I am a copywriter who creates great content, great content and sell courses. I need a great carousel carousel post for my LinkedIn page. A topic that solves a problem, that solves an immediate problem for copywriters. So I'm going to go here. Now, so let's go into this. So it's going to give us, so it's, the name of the topic is 5 copywriting mistakes that is costing you clients and how to fix them. So this is giving us, the next one is 7 headline formula that works every single time. How to land high paying clients in 7 days without begging or cold DM spam. So how to land high paying clients in 7 days. All right, because a lot of people need this one. So let's see what ChatGPT say. Out of 1 to 3, out of this 1 and 3 will resonate with struggling copywriters. Blah blah blah. Okay, great. So I'll tell ChatGPT, okay, um, I'll copy this one, create a carousel for this because almost everyone needs clients. So now that is the reason why you, before you start going to Canva, you need to understand what you want to, like, the content you want to do. So I'm giving you the framework. So now we have the content. All we just need to do now is copy and paste. So number one, how to stop how to land 7 without begging. The bold text is land your blah blah blah, then visual calendar. So that is number one. Most copywriters do this. Number two, beautiful. So calendar flipping page. What I told you. So package your skill into a clear offer, blah blah blah. All right, so let's go and design. So let's go over to Canva. Beautiful. Let's go over to Canva and click on LinkedIn carousel, LinkedIn carousel. Then we'll just press enter. Then we're going to find a one that resonates with us, resonates deeply with us. Now let's check this one. It has 8. It has 8 stuff. It's very, very nice. Let's check this. It has 6. Also has picture space. Let's check this one. It has 4. And it is basically, giving clean vibes. So that one without image, I think that one is nice. And this one, 8 ways content. This one has a lot of, small writings. Then we'll check this one. Personality, beautiful. This is fine. This is fine. That is fine. That one is fine. But in as much as you want to create something fine, make sure that you're creating something that you can do very, very fast. So for this training, we are going to find one that is very, very fast for us. This one is neat, but it will require we do a lot of changes and all. This one is nice too. It requires minimal editing. So let's choose the harder one. I'm going to choose this one. Then I'll just customize. We'll customize. Beautiful. So let's go. So first thing you need to do is to, change your name, write your name, understand your color. So since I'm going to be using myself as an example, I'm going to write my name, Oranibo Uzoma. I'll just write Boss Uzi, Boss Uzi Consult, Boss Uzi Consult. Yep. So, or if you don't want to like do a lot, you can just delete one. Things to understand about confidence. So we are not using this topic. We are going to use our own topic. So we'll go over to ChatGPT and we'll just copy this one, copy this, then go back here, and so we are not going to be making use of this folder again. So I'm just going to delete this folder so that it will be easy for us to navigate. So go back here. Oh my god, what did I just do? uh, Open it again. So I'm not going to be using this. I'll close this one, so we'll just work with this. So first thing I do is, write my name again. Uzoma. It's not clear. I'll just zoom it. Uzoma Oranibo. Good. Then I'll just remove this. Then here we already have our text. We'll just paste. Now it's big, very, very big. So we'll just, reduce, you know, and we'll find out how we can integrate this thing, this to maintain their brand design. So we'll just overview, copy it. Since it's still grouped, we just drag it down. Maybe it will be the last thing. All right. So let's bring it here, and we are going to spacing it out again. I'm going to space it out like this. I'm going to space it out there. Maybe, all right, I think it's okay like that. Now, what is my brand color? My brand color is black, red, and black, red. So I'm just going to maintain my brand color here, black, red, and white. So what I'll make this background, I'll make it black. Then I'll make the text white. Then should I make the text red? So let's go, no, white. Now these are the intelligence that come with designing things. Then you add maybe a red. You just make something red here, just to maintain three colors. So I'll maintain red here, and yes, just one red, and maybe this thing, I just maintain a red for here. So great. Okay, great. So I've done it. So by using black, white, and red. So how to land your first paying your first high paying client in 7 days without begging. So another thing we'll do is just to increase the font size, the line spacing of this post, so that it will look more arranged. We'll leave it as this. Just drag this up here. All right. So now this understand, we need to find where to put it. Just to add more color, just to maintain their brand, this thing. So I'll probably delete this understand here, and I'll just take this one inside. So I'm going to highlight these clients. And what do I do now is to you know layer it at the back. So I'm going to layer it. What I'll do is click on it, left click, then go back, send it to the back, or send it backward. So I'm going to send it backward once, then send it backward again. I'm going to show layer. Okay, it's already backward. It's just that the particular this thing there, the particular letter there is white. So we are going to change it to red here. So we're going to change it to red. So when you can see how beautiful it is now. Very, very nice. So these are design intelligence. Design intelligence. So we are working with the first page. So We're working with the first page, so it's still going to, we are going to bring it in, then use you. Very, very good. So design intelligence, we are done with the first page. Then let's go over to the second page. Remove this, then add the name again, Uzoma Oranibo. So now let's check what ChatGPT said number one will be. Number one will be, okay, the carousel, then slide one. Okay, slide one is land XYZ. So land your first paying client. So you said land your first paying client in 7 days. All right. So let's paste this here. Pim. Then we'll just edit it again. All right. So click on this, put it in the middle. Make sure it's in the middle. Then after that, then we'll just find the subtitle. The subtitle here is without begging. So copy again, then paste it here. So bring this one a bit down. Now go over to what they said, the visuals, a calendar plus money bag illustration. So let's copy this and paste it for Canva to find it for us. So we're just going to click on it, and a calendar with money. That is what Canva said. Oh, let's see all. So money bag. All right. So let us use this one. Let us use this one. So that means we are going to remove this one. So beautiful. I'm going to replace it with this. Bim. So we already have the first one. So we are going to do this for all over this text. And after that, we are going to what? We are going to what? Export. So I'm going to do it for the second one, the third one, the fourth one, the fifth one, and sixth one, and seventh, and all. Then we are going to like come back. All right, guys. So we are actually done like doing, putting all the whole things together. But let us continue from here. Number three, number four. So this is number four. And I'll put a call to action. Then go back to ChatGPT, copy, copy it again. It's a copy and paste system basically. So I'll just paste it, and you can see at the end of every post, then we'll find the image. They said inbox notification exploding. Then copy and go to this place. Now understand that you can do this with your phone, you can do this with your laptop. You understand? You can do this with your phone or your laptop. So me using laptop just to show you doesn't mean you can't use your phone. So you can also use your phone. Now, is this image sharper enough? Um that image sharp enough. Let's use this colored one. So let's delete this and use this one. So that is it. So we've already created 5 posts here. Five is a step-by-step stuff. I think we need to, okay, yes, clearly define your offers. So I think I'll have to step this one down. I have to clean this one and just leave it as this, then we add it here. I'll go back to number one. Number one is step one is client done this one. Copy, go back here, paste. So that is it. So just realign it to be up. And you can see everything is aligned. Everything is aligned. Everything is aligned. So this is call to action. Then number four, number five. Number five is after CTA close with after call to action, then we are going to create numbers 8 slides. And we'll create this other one. So keep working with me as we go. So we are in the last place. We are already done with the content. So ChatGPT says in the last carousel we should do a call to action. So let us do that. So after designing, the next thing is to just do let people follow you and all that. So follow this 7 days equals follow this for 7 days equal to land this thing. So we are going to use this thing at the back of this place. So what is happening? So I'm going to use this here. We're going to cover it the same way we did it in the first place. We are going towards send it to the back. We are going to send it. So again, we're going to left click, right? Left click, I'll be right click. Okay, why is it not working? We are going to that is text. So we are going to click on it again and left click. Then layer it to the send it to the back. So when we send it to the back is just there, and we'd align it again, align it again, align it again, and I think it's perfect. And then I will just change the text. Instead of white inside text, we change it to instead of the white text inside, we change it to red, right? Okay, what is happening? So okay, we'll just copy this particular one, then we'll change the text to red. So we're going to find the color. Where's the color? Yeah, red. We're going to change it to red, and we are going to align it again. So I think this thing is supposed to be white now. So we'll change this back to white. Yes. To maintain brand consistency, just like I have thought. So great. So we have our post right now. Then we'll just delete this. Then we change this to at boss Uzi at boss Uzi at boss Uzi underscore at boss Uzi or at Uzoma Ranibo Uzoma Uzoma or Ranibo. Great. So no long thing again. So this is just how beautiful it will look. And at the end of the day, if you want to post it on social media, I'm going to show you how to post it in the next video. So I think this one should just be white because that red doesn't. Okay, let's go back to red. Making sure that nothing has happened, making sure that everything is well. All right, let's go back to red. Red. So that is that. So we are already done creating our social media post. And if you want to see it in a plain form, let us preview this post in a plain form. So you can see the number one thing, land your blah blah blah, then swipe, land your first client, blah blah blah, without begging again. You can see all these things was done by the intelligence of Canva and the intelligence of ChatGPT. So I want to advise you that never neglect these two AI tool. The people that use this AI tool will print a lot of money in these times. So with that being said, see you on the next one where I'm going to show you how to download your post, and I'm going to show you how to spread it out to different platforms in with just one, with I'll just the same post. I'll show you how to resize to Instagram and or Facebook and every other place. So see you on the next one.